Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Tulkar from third year computer department and I am team leader of Tech Titans team and I am contributing in front end development part. And our problem statement is ideate and implement a system to enhance the quality of education in rural areas. My team members are Yash, Harshad, Vivedant, Sakshi and Vivek.
Hey, I am Yash from third year computer department. I am contributing in the front end development.
Hey, I am Harshak Gide from third year computer department and I am contributing in front end development.
Hey, I am Vedant Karle from third year computer department and I am contributing in backend development.
Hey, I'm Sakshi Napde from third year computer department. I'm contributing in backend development.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Dange from third year computer department. I am contributing in backend development part of the software. I am here to present our innovative solution aimed to address critical issues and bridge the educational gap in rural areas. Access to quality education is something many people take for granted, and unfortunately, in rural areas, it remains a significant challenge. Our presentation today revolves around the solution that utilizes technology to empower these students and communities. We have created a platform that combines desktop software and web application, granting students in rural areas access to high quality education resources. This software will be installed in rural areas. Upon logging in with their unique student IDs, students will undergo a baseline test to access their knowledge from previous class. For students who don't pass the test, this software will provide them extra lectures and study materials to help them catch up and grasp the necessary concept. Using this software, students will have wide array of study materials at their fingertips, including flashcards, mentor access, and loans, scholarship, etc. Teachers will also be benefited from these systems, gaining the insights into their students' performance and access to student training programs and student mentoring resources. We'll take question answer of students according to their interest and accordingly we'll suggest roadmaps. These roadmaps will include videos, articles, flowcharts to help them plan their future. One of the main pillars of our software is AI-based Eisenhower matrix. This Eisenhower matrix is customized based on assessment results of students. Using this algorithm, the software will suggest the topic for improvement to students according to their performance and effectively prioritize the task. The flowchart will be as follows. Upon starting this, upon starting up the software, the login page will be there. Two different login options will be there, one for student and other for teachers. Upon logging in into the student sections, the baseline assignment will be taken to the student. According to the result of that baseline assignment, student material will be provided. This material will include videos, notes, assignments, and flashcards. Mentor access will be provided to students. Scholarships and loans. Information about scholarships and loans to the economically backward students will be provided in these sections. Roadmaps. The articles, videos, and flowcharts according to the interest of the students will be provided in the form of roadmaps to plan their future. Leaderboard will be there so the student can see the weekly leaderboard and the healthy competition between the student can be developed. Feedback section will also be there. In this section, student can give their feedback about their education. To improve the communication skill of the students, communication skill section will be there. This section will include the videos and flashcards about the various topics in the day-to-day life. Our matrix, which is the important pillar of our software, will provide the priority management. The other section is teacher section. In the teacher login section, teacher training program section will be there. In this teacher training program section, the videos and seminars of the teacher training will be provided to the teachers. Uploading the article to the update the roadmap section of each students will be there. Students' marks will be updated in the leaderboard and according to that, the leaderboard will be updated by the student. Commenting on the student doubts and questions, updating counseling, the teachers can suggest the solution in the solution section and maintaining the daily streak. The teachers will update the questions and attendance on the day-to-day basis. This is the prototype we have built for our software. This is the home page. This page is about student log. After the student logging using their particular student IDs, this page will be shown to them. This page includes the course notes and assessment. The another page is including sample quizzes, the various quizzes we are going to undertaken using this software. And on the basis of the score of these quizzes, the leaderboard will be maintained. This is the leaderboard page. The technology stack we have used here is as follows. For front-end development purpose, we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We have also used the various frameworks such as Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS and React.js to improve the user interface quality. Electron.js is a framework we are using here for building desktop applications using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We have used here the integrated development environment which is Visual Studio. .NET is also we are also using .NET which is an open source developer platform for app development using SIH language. We will analyze these three technologies for building desktop software and we will use suitable tech for our software development. Backend technologies we have used here are as follows: MySQL, MongoDB, Node.js, Java, Python, PHP. MySQL. MySQL is a structured query language from which we are going to store and retrieve the data from the system database. MongoDB. We are using MongoDB to scale our software. We are using MongoDB database. Node.js is a class platform. We are using Node.js for executing JavaScript code. We are using Java language with which, keeping in mind of the security concerns, we are using Java for better performance and scalability. PHP. We are using PHP for connecting database of MySQL to improve the system's database. This platform will provide details about scholarships, loans, and incentives to economically disadvantaged students. The software also includes prizes for top performers. The student will be assigned a mentor after registering with their unique student IDs, ensuring they have personalized guidance and support throughout their educational journey. To maintain the engagement, this software is incorporated with the features where students can answer daily questions related to general knowledge and communication skills. The weekly hours students spend using this system will be recorded as their daily streaks, encouraging regular usage and attendance. Teachers will have access to data for specific student, allowing them to update performance information in leaderboards daily. Based on updated performance data, our AI-based Eisenhower matrix will provide prioritized study time recommendation for specific subjects and optimizing the learning experience. This Eisenhower matrix will also be accessible to mentors so that mentors could monitor the weakness of the student and suggest the improvement. Additionally, our software will provide courses focused on individual oriented skills, industry oriented skills, making students job ready and enhancing their employability. The software dependency and showstoppers are as follows. As we are focusing only on the primary education, our software is specially designed for the student from 6th to 12th standard. For security purpose, we have given unique ID to each student. So the unique student ID must be given to each student for the security purpose. The system must be deep freeze from to protect the software from unauthorized changes and unintentional changes from the students of the rural areas. It is necessary to maintain Eisenhower matrix as it is the main pillar of our software. It is necessary to maintain their records, track their performance, which will be used for Eisenhower matrix. The regional barrier also is there, so the software will be made available in many regional language for better understanding of students and will increase the literacy rate. The basic requirement of the software is to have desktop in good physical conditions. Remote areas and rural areas, there may be lack of basic infrastructures such as classrooms, teachers, computers, labs, etc. To counter this situation, our software will be consisting a section for volunteering purpose. The employed education person of this area could the unemployed educated persons of these areas could apply for volunteering to help the students in those remote areas. For areas where there is a lack of computer labs, a bus with the computers in it, our software installed into those computers can be provided in those areas. This software is scalable across all states of the country. For example, There are communities such as Gujjars in Haryana and Banjaras in Maharashtra who do not have a fixed or permanent settlement and move regularly in search of employment or other opportunities. The web application version of our software will provide them education wherever they go. To overcome the language barrier, the teachers from the particular community can be trained using teachers training program of this software. So this will bridge the gap of language barriers of these communities. Our mission is to leverage technology and tailored education program to bridge gap in rural areas, empowering students and fostering community growth. Thank you.